Hey, hi everyone. I hope you are doing well. As I promised, I will make video so you can study well. You can take it as a reference for the upcoming exam. It will be helpful for you. So, as we have completed up to 5.2 in the class itself, today's lesson is 5.3 on page number 115. You can find in your NCERT textbook. This is your textbook. I'm going to show you. Yes, Ganit Prakash. So here page number 115, activity 5.3 we are going to understand. As we have already learned the topic of prime numbers in the previous class, we have also learned how many prime numbers exist between 1 to 100. We have done the activity for that also as given in your textbook itself. Now this 5.3 lesson is related to the prime numbers only. The topic name is co-prime numbers. Now children, let me give you an overview. Co-prime, as the word suggests, co-prime numbers means there will be always two numbers, a pair of numbers which you need to check, are they co-prime? So that type of question you are going to get. Are they co-prime? Whether they are co-prime, check the numbers given are co-prime, these kind of questions. So with the help of examples, we will learn that. And we will define also what are co-prime numbers. That is it to this topic. So as I already say in the class, go take one notebook and pen, pause this video and then be ready for the class. So let me give you the overview. To check the numbers given are co-prime, we are going to find the factors of the number first, and then we are going to find the common factors. So let's see with the help of an example about co-primes. So I'm taking the first example, which is 4 and 9. We are going to check is this pair is a co-prime or a safe pair. In terms of activity, if you go through this, read the activity in with reference to Jumpy, you will understand this. So what we are going to do, as I already mentioned, we are going to find the factors of these numbers. First, the factor of 4. So that is 1, 2 and 4. Alright. Now for 9, I will find the factor, that is 1, 3, yes, 9. Correct. So here after that you need to find the common factor. Now which common factor you can check here? 1. Not other factors you can get, right? So in this case, when a pair of number has only one as common factor, that is known as co-prime number. Yes. Let's take another example which is given here, 15 and 39. If you check page number 115, 15 and 39. These are the questions you can solve yourself also. Check if these pairs are safe. Let's take the other example, 15 and 39. Okay. In this example, again, what was the method? You have to find the factors and then common factors. So first 15's factor 1, yes, then 3, then 5, then 15. Correct. Now what about 39? We have, yes, 1, 3, 13 and 39. Now in this case, if you check, there are common factors, right? We have learned this in the previous classes. Two factors we are getting common, which is 1 and 3. What about 15 and 39? Not co-prime numbers. So we have learned that when a pair has only one as common factor is a co-prime pair. So these are the examples we have discussed. One is for co-prime and one is for not co-prime. You can solve yourself other examples from the page number 116. These are the questions. Please try to solve it. I hope you have understood this. Now if you have to define what are co-prime numbers, you will say co-prime numbers are the numbers which has only one as its common factor. Those are called co-prime numbers. Do you remember that older times that telephone PCO you go and that telephone box you are going to put a 1 rupee coin, and then you are getting, you can operate, right? Other than one, no coin is working on that piece your telephone, right? So you can connect with that, that only one is the common factor, then the pair given is co-prime pair or number. Thank you. Have you seen how to define co-prime numbers? The numbers which are having only one as common factor. I can give you one interesting example of old times where we have the telephone, you are going to PCO, that 1 rupee coin you are going to use, right? Only 1 rupee coin is going to work if you want to talk, or you want to operate, right? So a pair has only one as common factor, that is co-prime number. Yes, you can relate that, you can think of the mental image, and that way you can remember this.